Samira sat on a seesaw and the seesaw bent towards her. But as soon as her father sat on the seesaw bent towards him and Samira went up. So why did that happen? Well, that's because the seesaw will always bend towards the heavier side. So when Samira was sitting alone, well, Samira's side was the heavier side. So the seesaw was bending towards her. But as soon as her father sat on the other side, definitely father is heavier than Samira. As a result, the seesaw bent towards him. So what do we see here? Well, we see a very important property of the seesaw. That is, it always bends towards the heavier side. So if you want to compare two different things, you want to know which is heavier and which is lighter, then we can use a seesaw, isn't it? But again, you cannot place everything on a seesaw. It doesn't have that much space, or it is not designed in such a way. So we have a different device which has been made and which is very similar to a seesaw, and it compares two things and lets you know which is heavier and which is lighter. So just like seesaw, we have balance scale. As you can see, just like seesaw, it has two sides and it can bend on any of the sides. So we use a balance scale for comparing the heaviness of objects to determine which is heavy and which is light. So you see, this balance scale allows us to compare two objects and lets us know which is heavy and which is light. Now, you must be thinking, how do we measure heaviness of something? Well, the measurement of heaviness of an object is known as the weight of the object. So if something is heavy and something is light, then the object which is heavy, it has more weight compared to the object which is light. So the object which is heavy has a greater weight compared to the one which is light. So weight represents heaviness of an object. So when we talk about heaviness of an object, we are basically measuring the weight of the object. Now this is a beam balance. Now balance scale can be of different types. Now beam balance is the most common type of balance scale, and it looks something like this. So you see, it has two sides, and this is a beam or a rod which connects them, and it will bend to any side which is heavier. Now even the beam balance can be of different types which you can see in the market. So some look like this, while others look like this or even like this. But the basic principle is same. That is, it will always bend towards the heavier side, and that's why we can use a beam balance to compare heaviness of two objects or measure weight of an object. Now if we have three rocks, 1, 2 and 3, and if you want to compare, well, place the second rock here, and as soon as you place the first rock, it bent towards the first rock. So first rock is heavier. And when you place the third rock here, well, it bends towards the second one. So second one is heavier than the third one. So what do you see? Well, what do you see is that the first one is the heaviest, while the third one was the lightest. And how could you compare them? Well, using the balance scale or the beam balance. So as you put these objects on the beam balance, it bends towards the heavier object or the heavier rock, and as a result you were able to identify which is the heaviest and which is the lightest. And this is how beam balance can help you measure heaviness of an object. Now if you have one egg and one potato, and you want to compare which one is heavy and which one is light, what will you use? Well, you will use a balance scale. And once you place these on a balance scale, you will be able to see that the balance scale is bending towards the potato, right? So potato moves down and the egg side moves up. It means that the potato is heavier than the egg in this case. Now what about this jackfruit and this pumpkin? How do you compare which one is heavier than the other? Well, you place it on a balance scale and what do you see? Well, the balance scale bends towards the jackfruit. So which one is heavier? Which one is lighter? Well, definitely the jackfruit is heavier and pumpkin is light because the scale is bending towards the jackfruit. Now, what about these? Well, in this case, what do we see? Well, one side we have a battery and on the other side we have a potato, and both of them are at the same level. So the balance is not bending towards any one side. Now, can you tell me in this case which one is heavier and which one is lighter? Well, this is a different scenario altogether. In this, what do you see? Well, both the sides are on equal levels, which means that both of them have equal weight. That is, this and this both have equal weight. So you cannot say that this is heavier than this or this is heavier than this. These both are equal. So this potato and this battery have equal weight. So when two things have equal weight, then the balance scale will show both the sides are on the same level. So when both sides are on the same level, weights of both the objects are same. So a balance scale is used to compare the weights of two objects. Balance scale will always bend towards the heavier object. So whenever you compare between two objects, the side towards which the balance will bend, that side is the heavier side, or that object is heavier than the other one. So some objects are heavy and some are light. To determine which is heavier or lighter, we use a balance. Balance always bends towards the heavier object, and that gives us an idea about which is heavier and which is lighter. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge, or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English, and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.